people using portable electronic ink reading devices, it's going to be somewhat skewed because, that's just the way people read. It's not nice to read on a TFT screen.
I think actually there's going to be a little bit of self-selection here, is that the people who do read online are the people who are going to be using Mendeley. And the people who use Mendeley most are the ones who don't print it off.
But it's fine. I can scan loads and loads of abstracts online, but if it's a paper that I want to read in depth, I will always print it out.
And scribble on it.
Actually, we've had a feature request, and I probably have to relate that. We've had a feature request for being able to print a barcode onto PDFs when you print them out, so that when you make your notes on the printed paper, you can then scan it in again and have the scribbles associated to the PDF through the barcode. So I think that tells you that our users indeed do print things out. And of course, you could just start measuring printouts. And I'm thinking, there are so many ways we can measure additional data, and there has to be some value in that.
So, Victor, I'm a little confused being the sole representative from Thomson Reuters here and reading some of the comments. And the impact factor is reproducible and it's documented how it's calculated. But I'm a little confused by the conversation because, and maybe more of the focus in my mind needs to be at the level of the individual and the paper being the piece separate from the journal. Being what needs to be looked at and the metrics on that particular paper looked at. And so that's where I see just a little bit of overlap, the impact factor focusing on the journal, and the confusion in my mind is that should the conversation really be at the article and the individual level. And so in what I see you talk